discussion for today is how to analyze the TempDB usage. So first thing, we got to query this table, that's information underscore schema dot tables, and whatever result set that you get, if you find few tables in it, it means that you have a large data set issue. And if you have a large amount of tables, it means that there might be a runway process or an unclosed process that is a long-running query. And so there might be cases where the long-running query is because it's not using an index on the large tables, and this can cause from time to time. And you can optimize those long-running queries, use the execution plans and the other performance tuning tasks. And check if there are any index rebuilding jobs or data pulling jobs or triggers or blocking sessions and long-running transactions. And also there might be a case where there might be some connections that are that are holding up your TempDB space and not releasing it properly. And also check your auto shrink on your TempDB if it's set to true or false, and make sure it's set to false. And once you find the size of the tables in the above query that we just saw, that's in the information underscore schema dot tables, find out what are the biggest tables in that, and then find out what source, and then debug from there. And also make sure that the disk space is not full and the capacity settings for TempDB is not set to have low size growth for max growth. Here, so you might have to check the maximum file size limited to MB, and if you're limiting it to how many ever MBs, and if it's not sufficient. So I usually set it up to unlimited. And we can use the SQL profiler. Select the data file auto grow and the log file auto grow, and when you run the trace for this, if you see something on your trace like the log file auto grow and the data file auto grow for the TempDB, that means that whatever space that you have allocated to TempDB is not sufficient. And we can use the performance monitor. Set the counter, the physical disk, current disk queue length on the drive where TempDB exists. And here it is. So for me, my TempDB is on the C drive, so I selected that, and here you can see the current disk queue length. And click on OK, and when you see the result set, make sure or see that your the number that you see here is less than 2. And if you consistently see this value greater than 2, that means there is a bottleneck in the disk I/O. And there are various dbcc commands and DMVs that you can use to analyze the TempDB space by using the dbcc memory status. That gives you the memory consumption issues, and the sysdm underscore db underscore file underscore space underscore usage, and it gives you the space usage information for each file in the database. And sys.dm underscore db underscore sys session underscore space underscore usage. This returns the number of allocated and deallocated pages per each session. And the sys.dm underscore db underscore task underscore space underscore usage, that returns the number of allocated and deallocated pages per each task. So these are the various ways that we can analyze the TempDB usage. Hope that helps, and have a great day. Bye.